All right, guys, we got a 2013 Hyundai Elantra. We're gonna change the front outer tie rod. So this is what the piece from here to here. So it has a play in it. Part number for the driver's side, and I'm gonna show you the passenger side. But let's take a look at the package. So inside this freaking package, so this is the brand you want to buy. Moog, good brand. Inside the package, you're just gonna get a tie rod, and it's a small package with the cotter pin. And I did the opposite side already. So here's the part number for the other side, the passenger side, and this is what it'll look like. So all you gotta do is loosen this up, remove the cotter pin, take off this nut right here, bang bang, it comes out. Make sure you count the threads, and that's what we're gonna do today. So let's start from this side. What we're gonna do is first we're gonna loosen this bolt. Sometimes it's gonna be hard, but let's see. There you go. And if you play around with it a little bit, it will loosen up internally. Sometimes they can't loosen this bolt, so they need to heat that up when they do the alignment. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna take off this little guy right here, and we got a new cotter pin. So if you break this one, it's fine. So what I'll do is I'll just cut this off, and I'll okay, once it's cut from one side, you should be able to kind of push it out. And then I'm going to grab from the opposite side with this cutter. Okay, one back in. Okay, there's enough space right there. So we'll grab this guy and I'll just yank it out with this cutter right here. That's it. That's how easy that is. Okay, now we're going to take off the 17mm. So you're going to need a 17mm socket. And that baby will come right off. There you go. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna bang this with a hammer. Alright, now we're gonna bang right here with the hammer. A lot of people bang over here, it's gonna damage the thread. So if you're reusing this tie rod, you don't want to bang here. So there you go, it will fall out just like that. And after that, what you're gonna do is, it's gonna be kind of tough, but okay, so this thing doesn't want to turn by hand, so I'm gonna just toss some WD-40 in here. All I did was put this back in. It's still loose, so I'm gonna try to wiggle this guy a bit. If that works out, if it doesn't, then it's gonna take a lot of force to take this off. Okay, let's try now. So what I'll do is I'll put a wrench on this. I'll stick the wrench in here so it holds for me. Okay, so now we're gonna count the threads if this guy moves. That's like one right there. That is two. And three. And 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 and a half. 15 and a half. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the new tie rod, same amount of threads, okay? 15 and a half. It was the same thing on the other side, so we'll start from like right here. Okay, so one more try. So that didn't catch yet. There you go. Half. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and that's it. It's like a little bit less, but everything's not gonna be perfect, but the bolt should keep it in the same spot. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this back in. Doing this, it should keep your alignment at least to the same spot, so the car is still drivable to the alignment place. And now we need to lock this up, but we need to bring this hole according to these gaps on the nut. There you go. All right, so in the package we got another bag. It has a cotter pin, so you're gonna take this cotter pin and you're gonna fold it up above, and that's it. Make sure you lock that bolt up, put the wheels on, and you're all set to go. And you definitely got to get alignment, because even though we're counting the threads, it's not going to be perfect. That's it. Thank you for watching my video, guys. See you guys in the next one.